Hello everyone, you know how potatoes can be versatile. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy bhajia recipe that you're going to absolutely love, and you can pair the bhajia with absolutely everything. Yeah, it's that easy. So without further ado, let's get started. And over here I've already prepped my potatoes, washed, chopped and sliced the potatoes into bhajia. And I have several ingredients over here that you're going to find in the description box down below. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to add in my garam flour in my big bowl over here. To my garam flour, I'm going to be adding a few spices. So I have cumin, garlic powder, black pepper, turmeric, and salt for seasoning. You need your bhajias to be well seasoned. Then I'm going to mix everything together to combine. Once fully combined, I'm going to be adding in water as I mix. And I've already started. I have a frying pan over here, which is over medium heat, and I've added oil. So as I make my bhajia batter, I'm going to be waiting for the oil to get hot. So you add the water slowly as you mix, because you don't want the batter to be runny. You want a nice thick batter. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure everything is combined. Once the batter is perfect, I'm going to be adding in chopped coriander. If you don't like coriander, you can skip coriander, but it makes food absolutely delicious, especially in bhajia. Next, I'm going to be adding in my sliced potatoes. And then I'm going to mix until every potato is coated with the batter. When done mixing up the potatoes with the batter, you're going to let the bhajia sit for around 2 to 3 minutes just to absorb the spices and the seasoning. So I'm going to check on my oil, dip a skewer, and if you would notice bubbles, your oil is ready. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to go in with my hands, and then I'm going to carefully place my bhajia in my hot oil. It's a bit messy, but don't worry about that, because you're going to have delicious bhajia. Then I'm going to let my bhajia fry for about 2 minutes while flipping and tossing, because you want all the sides of the bhajia to be cooked. The first round of my bhajia is ready, so I'm going to use my skimmer and drain the excess oil. And they are super crispy. So if you don't want your bhajia to turn out soggy, avoid overcrowding, because once you overcrowd, the temperature of the oil is going to drop, and hence you're going to have very soggy or drenched bhajia, drenched with oil. Yeah. Add my next round. My bhajias are ready and they're looking so good. So once they're from the frying pan, I'm going to sprinkle in with some salt. This is going to be so good. You can pair your bhajias with ukwaju or tamarind sauce or salsa, and it's going to be very delicious. So I'm going to enjoy mine with my family. I'm still making some more bhajias over here, and I'm going to surely enjoy each and every bite. So I hope you try out this amazing bhajia.